Yeah, this one we found this way in the corner of the warehouse. It just kind of got forgotten about, I suppose. But it's this old Civil War saber there. It's it's a replica, not original, but thankfully. But as you can see, though, this one's got some substantial corrosion to it. So this is going to need a lot of work to bring this back into how it used to be. So you got a plan for that?
I got a plan for you. So we're going to do the gun knife kit that you guys carry, and we're going to do a couple different things on this to restore it and bring it back out to new. The first thing we're going to do is, because we got all that rust on there, we're going to take some 4/0 steel wool. And the reason why I'm using a 4/0 steel wool, or grade 000 as some people call it, it's not abrasive, so it's not going to be like using a sandpaper, but it'll give us that extra scrubbing power to get a lot of that garbage off. We're going to use a Flitz polish on there to give it that shine, that luster back, and then we're going to come across with a wax to seal and protect it to bring it back to new.
Okay, yeah, this will be exciting. Let's give it a go.
All right. We'll just start cleaning with this. Ready?
Yep. You see, we're just getting all that old oil on there off of it.
Some of that old oil, a little bit of that rust that's coming off. Now, we're going to take a little of the polish. We're going to put it right on. Again, not a whole lot needed. We're just going to start buffing this in and start giving it a little scrub.
Okay, you can see it working already.
Yep, this will start taking a lot of that garbage off. I'm going to lay this flat so I can get a little bit better scrubbing power here. Going to add a little bit more, give it a couple more goes. And again, now this product, you don't have to let it set or dry. Just keep on giving it a few more scrubs. And we're going to take tissue and I'll start buffing this off a little bit. And what you see, it's starting to come right back to life. Look at all that oxidation just lifting off of it.
Yeah, substantial improvement already. It's removed a lot of that exterior rust that was on there.
Now, in here, I can feel it a little bit where it might be actually penetrated through the metal. So we might get a couple little dimples here or there. That might not go away all the way, but it'll definitely improve it a lot more for you.
Yeah, you can see that the rust is gone in these areas. What's left there is where the rust had eaten into the blade. But you can tell by the color change, that's plain steel under there now. Again, no more rust.
Correct. And we're going to put a little wax over top of it just to preserve it, to help any more of the oxidation from occurring or any more pitting into the metal itself.
Yeah, and prevent that from happening again.
So at least it'll make it look like a nice wall hanger, unless somebody wants to use it again back out in the field and have some fun with it. But now, once we got that done, again, bring it right back out to that high shiny finish. Take a little water, and what you're going to see, it's now sealed and protected. Just bead right off.
That's good. And keep that from happening again with that.
Correct.
It halted the corrosion where it was, reversed some of it, and kept it from getting any worse now that it's all been sealed properly.
And again, if somebody wants to come through with like a sandpaper, you could. The only thing is, it is going to dull it a little bit because of the sandpaper. It will remove a little bit more of this for you, but again, it just depends on the finish that you're going for. I just want to make it as quick as easy and remove as much as we could to bring it back out to life.
Yeah, that's for the amount of time put into that. That is substantial improvement.
Yeah, give it probably about another 20 minutes. You can make this whole sword look as good as new.